Good morning, guys. Today is May 14th, Friday Eve. We are on lesson 99, adding and subtracting whole numbers and decimals. So sometimes we need to add whole numbers and decimal numbers in the same problem, and we're going to look at the steps to do that. So you will line up the decimal points. And I like to fill my empty spaces with zeros. And then you will put a decimal point on the back. It's very important, on the back of any whole number. All right, so let's look and see what that looks like with a problem. If I have 6.2 plus 425 plus 3. All right, so I have this problem. All right. In order to solve, I first want to line up all of my decimals. And then I'm going to fill in any empty spaces with zeros. And then I put that decimal point on the back of the 3. Okay. Then I'm simply going to add. $13 and 45 hundredths. Okay. This is a super simple lesson. We'll do 2 more together, and then you should be good to go. What if I have 12 and 2? So then you're going to do 12, put a decimal there, 1.2, fill in a 0, add those together. Okay, easy peasy. Let's do a subtraction one. 4 and 75 minus 2. All right, same protocol. Put my decimal, add in zeros. Okay. 2 and 75 hundredths. Easy peasy. All right, listen up for the problems you need to do, please. All right, you are going to do number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. If you have questions, let me know.